Yeah, hello, I have here my JBL Everest 310GA wireless headphones, and the battery is empty, so I want to show you how to recharge those. So if we take a look at the left earpiece, then we see here the charging port. That's here, this micro USB port, and in there we plug in here the charging cable that came with the headphones. Here, this USB cable, and the other end of the cable we're going to connect, for example, here to this charging cube from my iPhone. Just going to plug it in here, and we can also use any other charging cube. And so we plug this in here and put this into the outlet. And as soon as we've done that, we're going to see here the charging status in form of this red light here on the bottom. I don't know if you can see this. This is really super tiny. So as long as this red light here is lit up, you know that it's charging. And the time for a full charge is here about 2 hours. So that's how long it can take for the battery to be fully charged. And now, how do you know that the battery is full? You can see this simply by checking out the LED, because as soon as the battery is fully charged, this LED is just going to turn off. Yeah, so just like you can see here. And now that the battery is fully charged, we can disconnect the charging cable again. And we have to be careful here, because those charging ports are kind of fragile. So when you pull it out, you want to make sure you pull it out really nice and straight. Like, you don't want to accidentally bend it to one of the sides. Just pull it out straight and it will be fine. The charging port won't get damaged. Yeah, so I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, then please leave a comment below, and don't forget to check out my other videos about these headphones.